What's going on, everyone? Welcome to part B of a two-part series. This is troubleshooting any issues you might be experiencing with your HID kit after install. If you are looking to install an HID kit and you want some tips and pointers on how to do so, you're going to want to refer to my part A, the first video of this series, how to install an HID kit. So in this Part B video, I'm going to cover some common issues experienced with your HID kit after install. So you hooked up your HID kit, and when you turn your headlights on, your high beams are on the low beam setting, and when you switch to high beams, your low beams come on, or they're not working at all. Your headlights don't come on at all. So I'm going to cover these issues. So we're going to refer to our factory plug here. This is where our plug and play kit plugs in. So on this plug right here, let me turn this flash off. You can't see, that's way too bright. Here we go. So this is our factory plug from our factory harness on the vehicle. Yours will differ depending on which vehicle you have. This is a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria. So there's three prongs in there, as you see. One is ground, one is low beams, one is high beams. So there's some ways you can do this. I recommend using a test light. This is a snap-on one. It's a LED. It's a green LED. Of course, I will leave a link to this product in the description of this video if you're interested in that. Now you can test each one of these circuits with your test light to see which one is your low beams, which one is your high beams, and then process of elimination, you can figure out which one is the ground. So likewise, in the plug on the HID kit harness, there's going to be a ground, a low beam, and a high beam. So if your headlights don't come on at all, chances are the ground is in the wrong spot on this plug, which happens. These are cheap kits. And if your low beams and high beams are reversed, then same thing. Your low beam and high beam prongs are in the wrong positions as well. So I recommend changing the prongs on here, or tabs, whatever you want to call them. Don't mess with your factory harness. So what you're going to want to do is figure out which one is which using your test light. If you don't have a test light, you can switch them around, plug it back in, try them. You can pull them out of this plug and just plug them directly into this, so you don't have to plug them into this and pop them out every time. I don't recommend doing it that way, because if you plug a ground into one of the low beam or high beam circuits, it could either damage your ballast on your plug and play kit, or you can blow your headlamp fuse on the vehicle. So just be aware of that if you are doing it that way, or you experience an issue where nothing is working and coming on. First thing you want to do is check your fuse on the headlamp circuit of your vehicle and make sure that the fuse is good, and then continue from there. So I recommend using the test light, and then all you need to do is come in from the back side here where the wires go in, and you're going to want to use a small little flathead screwdriver like this. And all you're going to do is push it in alongside of the wire. Oh, I'll just unplug that, give us a little extra play here. So you're going to want to push it in alongside the top of the plug there. And there's a little tab in there on the metal clip that's attached to the end of the wire on the prong. And all you're going to do is press that clip down, and it's going to release this, so you can slide it out of there. And you'll do all of them the same way, and then you can switch them around and put them in different positions to see which one is which. That's why I recommend using the test light, so you can figure out which circuit is which, and then you only have to do it one time. And it's really that simple, guys. So if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, share this video. And if you're looking to install an HID kit, refer to the first video in the series, Part A. And then I will leave product description and link for this to Snap-on's website in the description of the video. But thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.